everyone, welcome back to today's video. Today's video is going to be a review on this Murad skincare line. 4 different things in here. Hydrating, skin boosting, okay? I got this in a giveaway box, which I'll give that video right up here, so you can go watch that if you want. This was one of the products in it. I have heard mixed reviews about it. One person said that it was all that. It was okay, but it made her break out, so she didn't use it. And then someone else said that it was really good for their skin. So I wanted to try it out myself and give you my results. Here like that. So the first thing that I used was the exfoliator cleanser from Murad. Alright, so as always, I'll use my aloe vera juice and prep my face. Next, I'm going to take the exfoliating cleanser and put it on my face. This claims it has a luxurious cream cleanser with gentle exfoliating acids and java beads polishes and smooths. And it recommends using it twice a week. So I'm going to put that on my face and then wash it off. Eye lift firming treatment. Next, I'm going to take the eye lift firming treatment, and it claims it has surface filling and firming gel, instantly lifts, firms, and visibly reduces the look of wrinkles. So I'm going to apply 3 pumps to my fingers, and then I'm going to rub it into my face, under my eyes. And careful not to get in my eyes because it will burn. Next, I'm going to take the little iPad thingies and put it under my eyes and leave it there for 10 minutes. And then it says to take off the pads and just rub it in your face to lift the under eyes. The third step is the HYDRATIng quenching essence, which is this bad boy right here. The HYDRATIng quenching essence is a silky treatment, helps skin attract and hold water for a boost of softness and bounce. And as you can tell by my face, my nose did not like the smell of that. And then the last and final step that I did was the Murad nutrient charged water gel. Anyone love that skill? Anyways, this nutrient charged water gel is oil-free gel, instantly hydrates and pumps, instantly locks moisture to skin and increases retention for up to 5 days. And it says use AM and PM as well. To be honest, I am spoiled by the Tatcha and the Fresh products. If you don't know that, go watch these 2 videos up here. I will link a playlist up here and down in the description, so you can go watch those if you want. But those are my absolute bomb favorites right now. So it's hard to shy away from them, but I did want to try something new because it's 2019, time to try something new. So I just want to give it a fair shot. I wanted to see what it was and what I thought about it. So those are my thoughts. I would leave it at a 4 out of 10, really, because it does smell like Clinque and I can't use a Clinque. Okay guys, so this is the next day after using the Murad And I gotta tell you, it's not liking my skin. Like, I am breaking out, like, really bad, like, everywhere on my face. It's just, I'm totally broken out now. So, I don't recommend this product at all. It is not clean at Sephora, so if you liked today's video and you want to see more, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe it, and comment down below what is your favorite skincare product to use right now. I'm honestly curious. And if you do go watch that other video of my goodies, comment down there or on this video what products you want to see a review of, and I will try to get that out to you soon. And yeah, so stay tuned for next week. I am going to do something a little bit different, maybe. I don't know. I have a lot of products coming in, so I'm going to see what works. So without anything else, I think that's it. So I will talk to you later. Alright, bye guys. Love you.